Then using TSP and a sponge, I got to washing the drawers. I gave them a spray. I started wiping them down with a sponge. And as you can see here on the lip of this drawer, the dirt and grime really was stuck in the grooves of this piece. So to help the cleaning process along, again, I would spray it with TSP, and then I took out a couple of brushes and I started brushing in between all the grooves just to get out all the dirt and grime. Once I finished one drawer, I would take a sponge with clear water and wipe it all back down because you don't want to leave any of that TSP residue on any of the wood before you start the makeover. As I always like to mention, be sure to get in all the nooks and crannies of your furniture when you're cleaning it, because check out what I found on the bottom. Piece of gum that might be like 50 years old. You never know what you're going to find in furniture. So I kept working my way around the drawers, and I also used a larger brush for the sides and the larger areas.